This is a Dorma mortise cylinder I got off of eBay. It was it was described as more Dorma Kaba security, and this is the key for it and the bidding. It might have an anti-bump T-pin in it. It did something to me weird once when I was trying to pick it, so I'm gonna try to open it, and then I will gut it and we'll see if it has anything in there besides standard pins, because it's a 6-pin cord, but it feels like just standards and maybe an anti-bump T-pin. 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 1, 2, and 3 might be set. Alright, and that's open. So I'll grab my follower, get this out of the way. I've already taken the cap off of the back. I don't know how we're gonna do this, but we're gonna do this. Okay, give me that. Give me that way. Let's not mess this up. Okay. I'm only gonna take this apart all the way if I don't see an anti-bump pin in there. If I hit an anti-bump pin, I'm gonna go ahead and stop taking it apart. Tweezers. Turn it this way so stuff doesn't fly everywhere. Okay. Standard. Standard. Sorry, I know you can't see the core. Standard. Standard. So I got 2 more on this side. Spin it around. So I guess I could have been holding it that way the whole time, huh? Standard. And there's another standard. Yeah, I guess it's all just standard pins. I mean, that's the, you can see it's the same. So I guess I'll just put that back together. I guess maybe these are both the same, because I got 2 of these. I got this one, which looks like another one for like a door for a store or something like that. This one's just being shy with the camera. I can open it when the camera's not on, but as soon as I turn the camera on, it doesn't want to open. So I don't see where the kaba security would come into it. I understand that lock makers have tiers of locks, and this might just be the lowest tier for dorma, but that is the dorma mortise cylinder.